Belief and truth, two very important notions that are going to be operative in our study of arguments and argument analysis. Critical for a reason, because we're trying to get at the truth and we're trying to come to believe things that are true. And we'd like to see where the two converge, what the two have to do with each other. And let's consider proposition that a Jones believes that the sun is shining. Well, if we say Jones believes that the sun is shining, that seems to be the same thing as saying B, Jones believes that it is true that the sun is shining. So Jones believes that the sun is shining, and Jones believes that it's true that the sun is shining, really expressing the same thing. So when you believe a proposition, what you're believing is that you believe that the proposition correctly describes the way the world is. That's something I think we can all agree to. Now, one thing we have to be careful about, and this is a mistake that people tend to make, or some people sometimes tend to make. Whether your belief is true doesn't depend on how strongly you believe it. If you go to a casino and you see somebody playing craps, people are blowing on the dice and they're uttering all sorts of incantations and they're getting themselves up into a frenzy and they believe that they're going to roll a winner. Well, the truth of their belief doesn't depend on how strongly they believe that they're going to roll a winner. What the truth of their belief depends on is exactly what the truth of the proposition depends on. That is, are they going to roll a winner, a 7 or 11 initially? So the strength of your belief, the strength of your conviction doesn't make it true, doesn't make it any truer, because you're completely convinced of one belief and you're a little bit leery in your belief in certain of your other beliefs. Doesn't mean that the one that you have this strong feeling about is true, right? We say, though, what we did say earlier is that when you believe a proposition, you believe that it is true. But that doesn't mean that because you believe it strongly, that makes it true. What makes it true is what makes propositions true. What makes something true or false is the way the world is, not your set of beliefs about the world.